compromise, and they move towards the colleges like B grade, C grade, D grade colleges, where they hire the candidate on the basis of his skill set, and they paid a salary that is in between 10 to 12 LPA. And being a fresh graduate from B grade or C grade college, if I'm getting a 10 LPA or 12 LPA package, I will be the most happiest person, right? Making sense? This is the market where key skill sets, where upskilling is going to play a very important role. Very important role. Believe me, guys. Being a fresh graduate, आपके certification, आपके upskilling, आपका knowledge, आपका final year project, आपकी internship, these are going to play a very important role. What you have did in 4 years of engineering curriculum, rather than the core studies, is going to define you. Because interview table पे discussion इसी पे होता है. इंटर्नशिप कहाँ से की थी, फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट क्या बनाया था, इंटर्नशिप में आपके KRA क्या थे, क्या रूल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपने हैंडल की थी, किस तरीके के टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स आपको आते हैं. इंटरव्यू टेबल पे इसी पे डिस्कशन होगा, बिकॉज यू ऑल आर फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट. एंड ये भी फैक्ट है कि 2 साल 3 साल डाउन द लाइन, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, कोई नहीं पूछेगा 2 साल बाद 3 साल बाद कि आपने इंटर्नशिप कहाँ से की थी. बट फॉर योर वेरी फर्स्ट जॉब, for the very first step towards the career, these things are going to play a very important. I'm going to tell you an example, a real-time example. I was in Bombay in year 2025. At that point of time, I was working with the Marticus Learning, that is a big giant in the field of upskilling. And because we were serving to the top-notch banks like JP Morgan and Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, we do provide the skilled and trained human resource to these companies. At that point of time, interviews conducted by JP Morgan at our campus into the Marticus Learning Bombay, and 400 candidates from the top university, from Narsi Munji, from Maharashtra University, they were there. 400 resume, and the HR of JP Morgan was using the ATS software. I hope you are familiar with the ATS. Are you familiar with the ATS? ATS क्या है? No idea. ATS is software which professionals use, HR use, and with the help of keyword. Again, the same example. They were hiring for a business analyst role into the company that is JP Morgan. Out of 400 resume, because everything was a software based, they were just putting few skill sets like merger and acquisition, the risk and compliance, the portfolio management. उन्होंने 3-4 skill sets अपने ATS में डाले, and out of 400 resume, they have shortlisted only 35 candidates for the first round of interview. This is happening into the industry. Your graduation degree, I'm again saying, it's a benchmark, it's an entry ticket to get you entered into the industry, but real-time skill sets going to be a game-changer moment for all of you once you will be open into the job market. Out of 400 candidates, they only interviewed 35 people. And the reason, because out of 400 candidates, remaining 365 candidates were not up to the mark, not up to the profile which they were looking for. So you have to understand कि corporate में क्या हो रहा है, industries कैसे काम कर रही हैं, and accordingly you have to start moving, accordingly you have to start working on your skills. Clear? Financial engineering, जिसके लिए you guys are here, the people from the industries are here. Financial engineering is one of the most important things. You are going to start your career 2 years, 3 years down the line, and understanding the financial engineering is very important. How you are going to organize your funds, your income, it is very important to learn the financial engineering. We are having the expert over the stage here, and they are going to explain you how these financial engineering is going to help you out. Why, after completing your graduation, these all are the industry जहाँ पे जाते हो और आप अपना career start करते हो. I'm not going to have a discussion on all the segment. I'm going to have a discussion on only one segment, that is IT. Why IT? Because one of the largest booming industry, one of the hottest jobs available into the segment, and the market share is around 33%. One of the largest market share captured by the IT segment. अगर market में 100 jobs available हैं, out of 100 jobs,